So today we are going to convert this jeans waist from 34 to 29 inch.
इसका waist size है 34.
As you can see, the waist size of this jeans is quite bigger than my actual waist length.
कमर की साइज है 34. We have to make it 29 inch. So 34 minus 29 is equal to 5. We are going to reduce 5 inch, which means 2.5 from each side.
Here we are going to take 1.2 inch from each side in the front. Then from the back also we are going to take 1.2 inch, as we are going to take 2.5 inches from each side. So 1.2 plus 1.2 is approximately 2.5 inch. Here we are going to take the exact measurement of 5 inches so that after we stitch it we will get a neat look, not unbalanced.
नीडल लेंगे, उसके बाद सिलाई करना स्टार्ट करेंगे.
Stitch it like this. Look at how I am pulling the string to close the gap. Just like tightening a shoelace. This is the gap we are going to close by pulling it more.
ट्राइबल को ही क्रेज करना है, मतलब कि एज अ फैशन केवल.
So as we complete the one side, we are going to stitch the other side. This is how we have to pull, and after pulling the gap will get closed and the fabric will form like this at the back. After stitching we have to tie a knot so that the stitch doesn't comes out. So here's the final look after getting stitched. You can see the fitting, it's not loose from anywhere and it's fitting just right at my upper waist.
So that's all for today. See you in the next video. For today, we'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay sexy, baby.